Good afternoon, thanks so much for checking out our just arrived Mazda diesel CX-5. As you can see, this one here is in exceptional condition inside and out. It's got the ECB nudge bar, light bar, spotter protector already fitted at the front there, premium alloy wheels, finished in a really nice metallic white. Got the button here for locking and unlocking on the door trim. Excellent leather interior, electric passenger and driver seating, satellite navigation and reversing camera. Back seats don't look like they've had much use at all. You get a nice wood grain finish through the door trim, also sunroof at the back. Moving through the back of the vehicle, you've got rear sensors, as mentioned, reversing camera, and also electric tailgate. And of course, being a diesel, this vehicle here is exceptionally good on fuel as well. This vehicle here has only travelled about 92,000 kilometres, does come with full service history, owner's manual and handbooks. We do have a great range of low repayment finance options available, and this vehicle here is applicable to our 10-year or 200,000k premium mechanical protection plan. I look forward to assisting with your inquiry soon. Thanks again for watching.